13 must-know Apple and Tech updates. You missed this week. For more information, visit thedailytechfeed.com. Looking for Adobe alternatives? Try Affinity Photo, Pixelmator Pro, GIMP, and Canva. Powerful, affordable, and no subscription required. Airborne, flaws in AirPlay and CarPlay exist, but AppleInsider says you're safe if your devices are up to date and on secure networks. Locked iPhones are being smuggled to Shenzhen, China, and disassembled for parts, even when bricked. iOS 18 now lets you record and transcribe audio in Notes. Perfect for capturing thoughts on the go. Apple and Epic have settled. Fortnite is officially back on the App Store after nearly 5 years. AirPods Max USB-C model gets a firmware update. Better performance, fewer bugs. Google's Gemini 25 Flash Live camera app hits iOS with pro-level editing and real-time filters. Microsoft accuses Apple of blocking its Xbox mobile web store due to restrictive App Store rules. Fortnite returns to iOS, a major win for Epic Games and App Store freedom advocates. Amazon slashes $350 off the M3 MacBook Air with 24 gigabytes RAM, a rare high-spec deal. Things 3 now uses Swift for faster, smoother cloud sync. Apple devs, take note. Deirdre O'Brien of Apple ranks 67th on Fortune's Most Powerful Women list. Want cool live wallpapers for your Mac? Try these top 5 picks that look great and won't slow you down. Apple's next smart glasses may let you adjust focus with a tap. Welcome to the future of wearables.